What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be doing some awesome nails using, of course, Entity products. I am going to do a red nail bed and then just a little accent on the free edge portion of the nail, leaving the French portion clear so you can see right through the nail. Remember to leave a thumbs up, comment below whether you like the nails or not, and thank you for supporting the channel. Let's go ahead and get started. The first color we're going to use is My Way or the Runway using Entity 1 Color Couture, our EOCC gel. So I'll go ahead and start on the left side here. I've marked a point and I'm working down towards the center. Then I'm going to go off to the right side and do about the same thing, coming down towards the center once again. If you need to kind of fix it a little bit, you certainly can. And then for this design, we're going to do something similar towards the free edge. And once again, I like to start from the center. And now this time working from the right and then to the left. If we were to fill this all in with our little tiny brush, it'd take forever. So I am going to use the brush that is provided in the bottle, which is an awesome brush, by the way. It is the dome shaped brush, and that's going to fill in everything really nicely. Don't forget to cap the free edge, and then we can go ahead and cure inside the light for 30 seconds. I'm going to go back and just touch anything up that looks a little bit light. And then of course you want to cure that for 30 seconds as well. Next, I'm going to use Modern Moto. And this color is a few shades darker, and I just want to go ahead and outline this. So I'm going to use the point of my brush, and I'm going to start from one side, working down towards the center, then going off to the other side and doing the same thing. Now for the free edge portion of it, I'm going to start from the center and work my way out. We can go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. And then we can go ahead and use our Entity 1 Color Couture top coat. So this is a really nice top coat. It gives us the shine that we want. And then you can really start to see how this design came through with that clear negative space that we did there. And then of course you want to cure it for 30 seconds. And I'm going to use natural nail prep and cleanse the nail just to remove that inhibition layer. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys subscribe, click the little bell button thing, right? And then leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys thought. And there's gonna be many more videos to come.